Hi everyone, Lady Steam here, along with Coyote from Order of Games, and I am Lady Steam from Steamy Tech. Welcome to the Box of Making. This is Box 21 for March 2021. And our theme for this box, in honor of all of the Mars expeditions, is... Space! And we're having a really great time. We actually built several really fun projects for you this time. So let's open the box and dig in and see what's here.
All right.
As usual, there's paper.
The lovely letter.
Thank you very much. And instruction papers.
Very important.
Very important. Don't lose them. And a coupon. Don't forget you have a coupon. Now, this is one of our favorite projects from this. This is our space hanger. It's a jewelry hanger for a spaceship. So it's a space hanger. Isn't it very cute? Anyway. So that's one of our projects. It's got really cute holders on it. It's got a drawer, a little shelf in it that you can put rings and stuff in, and just the perfect hanger, we think. Yeah. You're going to love it. I hear rumors that they need one at
yes.
the Order of Games. Now,
that we do.
The second thing we've done for this box is we're using paracord for attachment. So we're going to teach you a little bit about paracord, and we included a bonus project of this really cool little jig that you can use when you're making your paracord projects.
Super handy.
And they cost you a few dollars at Michael's or wherever you get one, so we wanted to make sure we threw one in for you. You're now equipped. We'll also tell you that there's all kinds of paracord tools, and you should watch the paracord basics video that we did. It's really lovely and has lots of fun things to do. Next in your box is the time cage bracelet. This is a really fun cage gear that's going to go spin, 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 spin. You're going to wear it on a paracord bracelet on your wrist, and you're going to play with it all the time.
Oh, yes.
So it's quite the time sink. I might even call it a time cage. Maybe. Perhaps. Next project is our Wibble Wobble pendant. We've seen a couple of wobble projects in the past, but this one we took and we did 4 wobbles, made them in a really fun pattern, and put them on a rocket ship because we
Space.
Could. Exactly. And we've got a really fun weave for paracord we're going to teach you how to use for this pendant.
Really cool.
So we thought the paracord would be a really fun difference in this project. It makes things take much longer, but they'll be oh so really cool in the process. And I'm really excited to be able to tell you about that. In addition to all of that, in our box, as usual, we have pin test wood, glue, sandpaper, spare screws. That box not get its spare screws yet.
It did not.
I will have to tell the professor. And a really cool set of gel pens. By the way, if you're worried about the two of us being too close together, we really have been in quarantine together for months now.
Yes.
So trust me when I say it's safe, that there are people sometimes you can, touch at a little bit of a distance. But don't worry, we're being safe. We trust you are at home being safe. If you haven't got your vaccine yet and you're eligible, go get signed up now. If you aren't eligible, wait patiently like we are. And make sure you get it as soon as you can, because we all want this to go back to normal.
Yes.
And if we're really lucky, maybe by September we'll be ready to have a party.
Ooh.
So, it would be the 3-year anniversary too. So get your vaccine. vaccine so we can have a party in September.
Yes.
All right, we'll talk to you all soon. Thank you.